You ever just need to get the hell out of the city? Yeah, me too. That's why I brought my VENNOE pizza oven to the lake today, because sometimes you just need wood-fired pizza by the water, rain or shine. It's compact, but it's basically my mobile outdoor kitchen. Filled the hopper with wood pellets, lit it up, and slid it in. That burning wood smell, instant cozy vibes. All right, let's get our ingredients ready. Cornmeal, fresh mozzarella, marinara sauce, pizza dough, fresh basil, and sliced salami. Now, taking a look at these close-ups, each element shines. Rich red sauce, creamy white cheese, savory salami, and fresh green basil. Just look at that color palette. It's almost too pretty to eat. Sprinkle the board. Drop the dough right on top. And start pressing it outward with your fingertips. Work it until the edges are a little thinner. And here comes the fun part, tossing it in the air. Let's just say this dough has some serious gluten strength and my arms are getting a workout. Time to build it. Slather on that sauce. Rip up the mozzarella for those rustic chunks. And cover the whole thing with salami. The wind is really stoking the flames today. Look at the gauge, it reached 900 degrees Fahrenheit in minutes. The ideal heat for Neapolitan pizza. Alright, time to get this thing onto the peel. Honestly, having a good pizza peel is a total game changer. Absolutely zero sticking. The dough just glides right on. One smooth move and straight into the 900-degree fire she goes. Oh, quick tip! The wooden handle on the front just rotates the baking stone so you get perfectly even heat. And right on cue, it started to drizzle perfect, because nothing says outdoor cooking quite like doing it in the rain, but you know what? That's kind of the point. While the rain falls outside, inside the oven, that dough is getting those perfect leopard spots, and the cheese is bubbling up like crazy. And we are out. You can literally hear that crispy crust crunch. Time for the moment of truth. Watch this cheese pull. Look at that stretch. A few fresh basil leaves to finish it off. Eating a hot wood-fired pizza by the water. The rain stopped, but dark clouds rolled in across the lake. Still, I felt completely at ease. This is what bringing nature within reach feels like. Hit subscribe for more and drop your go-to topping in the comments. See you next time.